So in this video we're going to set up a connection to a PostgreSQL database inside Radzen Blazor Studio. And I have already created this project. It's just a new Blazor server app. So I'll just go to data and then go to PostgreSQL and say next. And I actually think this is the most simple database to connect to, because all these things when developing local is some pretty standard things, because the server is just localhost. In my case, my username is Postgres and my password is 1234. And then when I click on the database, you can see I have two databases. I have a company database and a Postgres, and I'll just choose the company. And just so you can see the actual database, I have this PG admin open, where you can see I have a test server where I have a database called company, and inside this company database I actually have two tables. I have employees table, and then I have a entity framework migration history that we're not going to use. The one we are interested in is this employees table, where you can see that I have two employees inside this table now. I have John, who is a manager, and I have James, who is a driver. So let's go back to Radzen Blazor Studio and just hit next, because now the connection is set up. And when we expand the tables, we have the employees table, and I'll say next. And let's just create some CRUD functionality to the table. And again, we will also just create the employee model. So I'll just say finish. And that was actually it. I will just test this by running it so you can see that it works, but the connection should be up and running now. And as you can see, our application is running, and we have the employees tab where we do have John, who is a manager, and we also have James, who is a driver. And let's try to delete James and say okay. You can see he's gone. We could also go and add. Let's add James again. He was a driver, and say save. And he is back on our employees list. We can also click on John, the manager, and say he's John 2. He's still the manager, and we say save, and now it's saved. So it's pretty simple to set up a connection to PostgreSQL. I hope you enjoyed this video, and else just have a nice day. Bye.